So hi guys, it's Ron again from happiness.com. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on what time you're watching. So we got another delivery, this time from Shopee. Okay, we bought this from the flash sale the other day. This is the second time that they did a flash sale. The last time hindi ko nabutan. So it's the Infinix S5 ano. So I still can't find my trusty knife. I don't know where the kids put it. So we were able to get this sa shit. Sorry. Okay, we were able to get this from Shopee, as I mentioned. Okay. The original price is 8,999 and we were able to get it at 7,600. So malaki yung natipid natin ano. Wait. Ang puro kasi ng kutsilyo. There should have been additional 8%, but the problem is I already used the additional 8% via the Guarded Zone 8 promo code when I bought the Huawei Y96 ano. They still haven't been able to deliver it. And the Infinix got here earlier. Okay, so ang ganda, the box looks good. It's a 6GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. So if you're just looking specifically at the specs for the price of 7,600, for the price that we were able to get this, it's very very cheap. Okay, so looks like we have to do a lot of edits for this video because the camera almost fell already 3 times. Okay, as you can see here in the box, it says, wait, malabo mata. Infinix S65 2A. The color is violet. Okay, the model is exactly the same. Infinix S65 2A Hot S5. Okay, so this is the model. So we're gonna open it up now. Again, this is not a sponsored post. I bought this with my own money in Shopee. Okay, as you can see, the other phones are still here in the table. Other stuff that I bought before. So here's the phone. It's big. Okay. Oh, I like the ganda ng kulay. Okay, it's almost as big. It has almost the same color as the Lea Gold that we have, but it's bigger. It's slightly bigger. Yes, ang cute niya. Okay, it's a 6-inch HD Infinity O display. Okay, 32 megapixels daw HDR. Okay, 4 AR cameras and 4,000 milliamperes. As you can see in the back, there are 4 cameras nga talaga. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna remove this. Okay, the power button and the volume button are both on the right side. Oh, looks like there's no charge. It's the only drawback I see. First one is it's still using a micro USB port, and the headset jack is in the bottom. The camera, the front-facing camera, is there in the corner. So we're gonna try to plug it in now. It didn't say if it's a removable battery. I guess it's not a removable battery. Okay. Warranty, customer service. Okay. Oh, it has power naman. Okay. Okay, so apparently you need to hold it for about 10 seconds. Okay. Let's see what's inside. There's the pin, okay, for the ejector pin. XOS Cheetah. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. Papers. It comes with a screen protector, okay, and its own silicone case. We won't deal with that right now. We're not going to be bringing this phone out yet. Earbuds, which is nice. I like this type better than the other types. Okay. The USB, micro USB jack and port. Okay. So now that it's I'm gonna read you the specs as it was posted in Shopee, okay? It's supposed to have a 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM, 4000 milliamperes. Front camera is 32 megapixels. The rear camera is supposed to be a 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus a QVGA camera. Okay, the resolution of the screen is 1600 by 720. Okay, it's an LTE phone. Okay, so as you can see, you can use face lock. We're gonna skip it for now, so that skip na din yung fingerprint. Okay, not now. Okay, more, accept. Okay, it's using a Helio P22. Okay, it's using a dual nano SIM card plus a micro SD. So we're gonna see what type of SIM tray it's using. Okay, so it's using a very nice one. It's using a triple SIM tray. Okay, so that means you can use two nano SIM cards and a micro SD at the same time, which is good. I hate the modified or the hybrid SIM trays. What's the use of that if you can't use the two SIM cards at the same time? Okay, I have read. Next, and accept. Okay, so there, I've mentioned the specs already. We're gonna try it out now. It's turning on. You can buy this at Shopee. Okay, I bought this for 7,600. Right now, the normal price is 8,999. Still, it's not bad for the price of having a phone that has a 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Okay, we're gonna go to the settings and show you. Okay, the RAM available is 4.75 and the total available space is 116GB. 9% has been used. So roughly you used up 12GB for the OS. Okay, it's using a Cheetah 5.5.2 XOS. Let's see exactly what version of. It's using a version 9 of Android. Okay, quick look at the camera. Oh, the screen is so nice. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. I'm using the Poco phone to do the video right now. So video, AI cam beauty, they have a bokeh, AR shot, panorama. So AR is the augmented reality or artificial reality. Okay. So see, it's so nice. It's clear. Wow, this is one of the clearest screens that I've seen. Okay, I think it's clearer than the Poco phone. See, can you see me? Okay, can you see the phone? So that's the super quick unboxing for the Infinix S5. You can buy it on Shopee. Thanks guys, bye!